Hey guys, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, we're going to be wrapping up the order processing videos that we've been doing. I'm going to show you guys the order page itself, how you can add files, how you can scan different documents and place them into your Sensei system and attaching them to those orders so that you always have access to the important information that you need. So I'm on the order page. We know that because the black line is under orders. We see Sensei YouTube here. And I'm going to look at these sub tabs that we have underneath the name here. So if you go to details, it'll take you to the customer details. If you go to contract forms, it shows you all the contract forms that you've created. Now you as the manufacturer haven't created these. Those will actually be in the files here where the dealer has shared that order. This is the actual contract form itself. Here are the notes. The dealer left this note saying that they're ready for install. And then if you check out our previous video, you know about the site inspection on November 11th that we changed on the order stages. So what I'm going to cover here is a couple of different things: how to take payment, how to attach files, how to leave notes, if you want to update, look at the pictures, whatever the case may be, even creating tasks for this order. So the first thing we'll notice is the down payment wasn't collected by the dealer. Now in a real life example, this will not be here. It'll show you grand total and the other amount. The reason I tell you that is because if you have a big building, a lot of different manufacturers will take 50% at time of scheduling, and then the remaining 50% of that balance upon completion of the installation, right? So I'm gonna show you kind of how to do that for this first start. I would click other amount here, and where it's 15,149.83, I'm not gonna sit here and do all that math. I'm gonna call it 7,500, and we would click generate invoice. Now, what it's gonna do is it's gonna collect that invoice of $7,500. You can click the invoice number, or you can email it if that person wants to pay through ACH or card through their email. Click email. Once they do pay, it'll send them a receipt. If they're ready to give a card over the phone, click the invoice number itself. Go down here where it says credit card, enter the amount of $7,500, and then click pay now, and you will see the option to enter in the card number, the expiration date, and the CVC number. Now, that is how you can take your invoice. Guys, if you're on the invoice screen, you want to get back to that order, just scroll up. Your order will be right here. You can click that link. So that's payments. Sometimes you're going to need to attach files or anything that you know needs to be attached to this order. Pictures of the site, tax exemption forms, or anything else that needs to be attached. You can just go to add new file here, and then you can actually click this box and be able to upload the different files that you need that are on your computer. Simple and easy, right? Notes, very easy. When you're changing stages, you leave comments. It'll actually place them in the notes, so you may not need to leave a note altogether. If you do, let's say you attempted to contact the customer, weren't able to get a hold of them, I would put a title as attempted to contact. I would say call the customer for an update on their concrete pad, left a voicemail, and then all I have to do is click save. What I like about Sensei is whoever left that note, it'll tell you that name. It'll also give you a date and time, and then of course the note itself, and they'll all be here in chronological order from the newest at the top to the oldest at the bottom. So quick and easy way how you can look at notes. I recommend that anytime you're about to change a stage that you check those notes to make sure everybody's on the same page. If you go down here to emails, it'll keep a collection of every email you've sent through Sensei with the status of open, pending, delivered, and bounced. We did cover files. Tasks is very simple and easy. You click add new task, give it a title of call back customer on Monday. So then we give the description. Don't really need one because it's in the title, callback. And then we can actually go to our date and time. We know it's the 9th, Monday's the 13th. We'll click a time. We want this done pretty early in the morning, so we're going to go with 9 a.m. Don't really worry about the seconds here. And then I'm going to put a notification 30 or 15 minutes prior for that person, and it'll be emailed. And then I'm going to select it's going to be Chris's Dodd task, and then I click save, and it creates that task. It notifies Chris Dodd. It shows in his task list in the tab up here at the top. So that's creating a task. It's very simple and easy. Logs. If you notice, Sensei keeps a log on every independent thing within Sensei. Leads, customers, quotes, orders, invoices. Keeps a running log of everything. So that is really useful to use. Guys, that is the order page. Those are some of the nice, neat features and functionality that you can use to better enhance your customer experience, as well as increasing your organization and your efficiency across the board. Thank you so much for watching these videos. My name is Chase. As always, we are so thankful for the support and feedback that we get from you guys. And until I see you guys then, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.